Alright guys, on the bench we have a GE model 3-5801A, and this is from that lot of CB radios that I got from Nearfest. And yeah, so this one's actually not in bad shape overall, cosmetically. I'm sure I can probably get some of that stuff off, but it's in really good shape. And the only thing was, it came with a realistic mic. It works, but I'll probably end up hunting a General Electric one down in on eBay. But I just wanted to give this a preliminary test. And yeah, the Sam's number 144 came in. I didn't actually have the Sam's photo fact for this particular radio, but I ended up finding. I tried to buy the book because if you go online, you can find them online. But the problem is, you're only going to be paying, when you pay the $15 or whatever it is now. You're only going to get that one model rather than whatever this whole book covers. And I feel like this book was like $9. So not only do you get the one that you're looking for, in this case, for this GE, but you get the Johnson, you get the Chris, and you get the Lafayette. So I think it's a no-brainer to wait for this. Some of these are extremely rare to find, and if you can find them, they are super expensive. In that case, maybe it is best to just purchase the one for the rate for whatever radio you're working on. The downloadable PDF or whatever. But in most cases, it's worth having the manual, the service manual for your particular radio on book, and then you get the other. Especially for professionals, I guess. Maybe if you're not, maybe it's not worth it. You just, you have your own radios. I guess that's fine too. But, when you do it for a living or whatever, or even as like a side hustle or whatever, these books are the way to go, I think. But anyway, yeah, so the book came in, so now I can actually see what's going on with this and, give it a proper alignment. I'll probably end up recapping this. And yeah, so the first thing I noticed is the power plug is reversed. So that's something to take note of. Yeah, it's I'm sure if you can see that plus and the minus sign, but it's yeah, the black and the red wire are reversed compared to the other radios. Something to take note of. I don't know if it's specific to all GE models, but at least this one is backwards. And yeah, so that was the first thing. And then I noticed the meter is stuck. The little needle is stuck. So we'll try to see what's going on with that. It looks like the needle's bent in there, so we'll try to get that fixed. But yeah, she's let's put this on 19, see if it's on frequency here. I got it on a dummy load. It's 19. Let's see what we got. Yeah, not bad. Not bad considering. It's almost right on frequency. But I'm sure we can get that closer. Plus the radio's only been on, I think I've only had this on now for like 15 minutes, so that might actually get a little bit more on channel. But let's see what we're doing here too for. Sorry about the glare, guys, as usual. All right, we got 4-watt dead key. Audio, audio, audio. All right, not bad. I'm sure we can improve that. So yeah, let me see what's going on with this meter. Get the case open and see what's going on inside. All right, I got the covers off, and it's a pretty unique setup here. And yeah, this PLL board is not what you typically see. Actually, I have two ICs there for this PLL system here. So it's and it's contained in this this can here with you know, standoffs, 4 standoffs. And it looks like it's screwed from the bottom, so you can actually possibly just, you know, take this out if you need to service whatever's underneath this can here. So I'm assuming this is to help with stray RF. I mean, it still has holes in it. I don't know benefit. I mean, it must maybe help reduce it, but not completely do away with it. But anyway, yeah, so it's not what you typically see. Here we got 2 ICs for this PLL system. You have 3 crystals, and you have another 2 adjustment cans here in this potted silicone. I mean, hopefully that's not a electrolytic in there. Looks like just a transistor, so that's not too bad. But yeah, it's a pretty cool radio so far. Let me look up this alignment procedure and see how we're doing. Overall, the radio looks like it's unmolested, which is a good thing. Just a quick overlook on it. I didn't see anything crazy or any signs of abuse. So yeah, let me check this meter out first, see what's going on with that, and maybe I can free that up. Alright, wasn't so bad getting to it. Basically just remove the 4 screws on either side of the faceplate. Tilt it, and then there's 2 screws. One there, one there. One there, one there. Phillips head screws. And the meter fits in between there, and the meter just pops right out once you remove those 2 screws. And so now this meter, you can kind of see that the needle is kind of bent a little. So this is just taped together like most meters are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut open that tape, try to get that needle straight, and then take it from there, see what's going on with that. Hopefully I can salvage this, because this is an oddball meter. So try to salvage this the best we can. Let me get that cut open and see what I can do with that. Alright, so we got the plastic cover off, and you can see here that the meter is stuck. Yeah, it doesn't want to return back. You can kind of see, hopefully it'll focus. You can kind of see that the needle's bent a little bit and it's scraping up against the face. So I'm going to try to get that straightened first, and then free up the movement on the needle. So I'm pretty confident we can I can get this salvaged. Let me get at that. All right, got the needle bent back to its spot, and get the focus here. Now it's returning home. So we were able to save this one, thank God. So yeah, good. Just a little patience. It's all it takes with these. And I don't know. I've watched a video of a kid saying that these things get stuck because of static electricity. I am yet to have one that's stuck because of static electricity. I don't know. I haven't encountered one yet. You know, every one that I've had to do, I've always had to undo the screws there, work them back and forth until this thing gets freed up. But yeah, I'm just happy I was able to save this meter. All right, let's get this back together. All right, got the meter fixed. It's tiny, but it's fixed. Get the modulation light there. Radio check, check, check. Check, 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 check. Radio check, check, check. So the meter doesn't show modulation, just shows power. But we got the modulation light here. I think I'd rather have the light anyway than on the meter. So yeah, we got that fixed. All right, let's move on. Well, guys, I was going to go right along with this and recap and align it, but after looking at the list of electrolytic capacitors that's on here, I'm out on a lot of these. I've been having a lot of recapping jobs, so I'm actually running really low on a lot of these values. They're pretty common amongst all CB radios. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably end up making a part 2 with this. I just wanted to get this video out first because it's I think it's a pretty interesting radio to do a couple of videos on anyway. So that's it for now, guys. I'll have to order some electrolytics from my usual spot, DigiKey, and I'll do a recapping and a alignment video at a future date once I get those in. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. At least we got to see the meter being fixed and kind of like an overview of the radio. So yeah, thanks for watching.